Page 10, Waltz. 3/8 time, 3 counts in a measure. It's a waltz, that makes sense. But now we're counting eighth notes, not quarter notes. No sharps or flats in it. We're in the key of C major. Do it one hand at a time. Make sure we get the notes, the fingering, and the rhythm. I'm going to play everything connected except for the rest to start with, and we'll add the phrasing later. So we're starting out here in this position. So it's 1, 2, 3. Remember, a dotted quarter note is the same as 3/8 notes. So here we're going to get 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, rest. Fourth finger now. Crunch up a little bit. 2, 3. There's a repeat sign there for right now. Let's go on. You just lift up and move up. 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, rest, and reach up or lift up, whichever, and come up here. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, rest, and again we're coming back down. Now they want you to cross over second finger here. It's between a phrase you can lift up. Right now I would prefer to connect it, and you need practice at this anyway, so just reach down and connect it. 2, 3. Just to make sure you can do that. Left hand is just a bunch of broken chords. We got a C chord, and I'm just transferring weight from note to note. It's like walking on the piano with the fingers. The wrist is loose, and the wrist just does whatever it wants to do. I don't control it, make it do anything. It just does. It kind of goes in a circle, but that just happens. I don't make it happen. Now they're saying 4, 2, 1. That's fine because it prepares you for the third measure. But there's nothing wrong, in my opinion, of 5, 3, 1 if you'd rather, because you can still come down when the time, because it's all broken chords. But 4, 2, 1's good practice. That's fine. We can do that. At the measure 7, then you got to reach down here. It's an octave. 4, 2 there. Then go on to the next measure. Back to our stuff again. Then measure 13, we have a C sharp. So we're here at the previous measure, measure 12. You're here. And you come here. So the E stays the same. These notes go up. Up here, and D minor, and then 5, and 4, and this neat, oh boy. Now look out, last line. Measure 19, you're okay. Measure 20, you're okay. But measure 21, scrunch up, put 5th finger on that. Try and play this legato, connected. So just scrunch up and put 5th finger. Up again, and that's an F, and then 4, 2 on the. This is the same as measure 7 and 8. You were down here, just an octave higher. That's all. Put the hands together. 1, 2. The next measure. Now, measure 13, we're going to gradually go up the keyboard here. Now, the left hand on measure 21. They say 5th finger. You can, if you want, use 4th finger there. Because you can finger those like that for that measure and then do a 5, 3, 1 on the next measure. If that's easier for you to go 4th finger instead of 5th finger, I see nothing wrong with that. So that last line in the left hand, I go 4th finger and then 5th finger. That's fine. Work that out and connect everything, get it so the fingers are working okay, and then we can add the slurs. The left hand, they're showing slurs in the left hand here, but then they have the word legato. Well, make up my mind. Those slurs, in my opinion, you just connect the left hand except for the rest. Just connect it all, slur it all together. Everything except the rest, lift up on the rest. In the right hand we have phrases. Lift up. And go on to the next measure, measure 9 is here. The phrasing is kind of built into you in the right hand because of the rests. Until you get to the last line, there's no rest, you lift up. So measure 19, you're here. I'm lifting up here, but not here. See here? I would not lift up both hands there. That's too, suddenly it's like, wait, what happened? Keep the left hand connected. Plus there's accents on measure 18 and measure 20. They put an accent in the right hand. I don't know why you need an accent, but they did. Make it a very slight accent. Don't play it too loud. It's just a little louder than the others. Then you can add the dynamics. Soft. The left hand needs to be very soft throughout. We want to hear the right hand. The left hand has to be in the background so you hear. Whatever you think soft is, keep the left hand out of the way. When you get to measure 9, you come up a little bit to sort of soft. The left hand needs to stay very soft. And you see in measure 11, simile. Simile simply means keep doing whatever it is you're doing. And what it applies to depends on where it is in the music. Here, they put it close to the bottom staff, so they're telling you keep doing the bottom staff the way you've been doing it. Well, I told you earlier on, just play the whole bottom line, the left hand, legato throughout except for the rest. So just do that. That takes care of it. On measure 13, you get a crescendo. You come up a little bit to moderately loud. Don't get loud in this. This piece is not a loud piece. So you're moderately soft at measure 13. Now you come up. That's moderately loud. Soft. Except for the accent, that would be like moderately soft. And then come down to soft. Come down. Vivace is very fast. It's faster than allegro. Vivace, and that's the feel of it. So this is a fast waltz. I don't know about dancing to it, but okay. I like to play this with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do any dynamics, but I will do the repeats. So I'll give us 3 counts, and again we're counting 8th notes here. Let's try it together. 1, ready, go. Repeat. Rest. repeat. Rest.